back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So in this video I'm going to compare Waldent IndoSmart 3-in-1 Indo motor with eConnect Pro from Oricam. So let's see what all the features these Indo motor packs in action. So without any further ado, let's compare the features of this each Indo motor. As you can see, the design of the Indo motor looks exactly the same, whereas if you see a downside of the Indo motor, on the first hand you will see the Waldent has wireless charging, whereas if you see the Oricam one, it has a conventional charging port. So it is a little bit disappointment considering the price point. At this price point the Waldent is giving you value for money. It has all the functions, all the latest functions like wireless charging and all that stuff. So let's compare both the screens, what you will get the information on the screen displayed on it. So on the Waldent you can see it's a very intuitive screen. It's a very user friendly. You can easily know at which RPM you are working, at which torque you are working, as well as you will see the torque value also, that you are reaching a maximum torque value set on the Indo motor. So you will know where you are getting resistance at the file, whereas in the at the Oricam Indo motor you won't see any kind of bar. A very small bar is there, but it is not very prominent compared with the Waldent one. So this is not very good for me. Now you can see the function of the Indo motor. You can set different kinds of mode very easily, whereas at the Oricam one you have to search a lot, you have to do a lot of research, you have to understand the symbols given at the 18th one. But at the other hand the Waldent is much better to use. One thing more, the handpiece of the Indo motor is 360 degree rotatable, whereas you can rotate the Oricam one at only 340 degree. So it's not very though it is not very big deal, but still it must have at least 360 degrees so that you can easily rotate here and there, whereas at this price point I feel Waldent is much better. So if you see a stand of this Oricam one, you will just, it's very wiggly and it can easily fall off. So whereas at Waldent you will get a proper charging dock, charging station. So at the charging dock you can just place your Indo motor, it will stay in place. So that's all for today guys. If you have any queries regarding any Indo motor, so feel free to comment down below. I will try to reply as much soon as possible. So that's all for today. Take care and goodbye.